MomoBerry.
Counting 110 with dancing fruits. One red apple jumps up high, waving hello to the sky. Two ripe mangoes swing and sway, dancing in a fruity way.
Three bananas spin around, sliding softly on the ground. Four sweet berries bounce in line, twirling to a beat so fine. Five big oranges roll and play, laughing bright all through the day.
Six green grapes clap to the beat, tiny dancers oh so sweet.
Seven cherries shake their hips, smiling wide with juicy lips. Eight pineapples stomp their feet, dancing to a tropical beat.
Nine blue plums jump up and down, wearing a purple dancing crown. 10 mixed fruits shout hooray!
We love to dance and count all day.
MomoBerry.